I'm feeling some of the mist. Oh my goodness. This is not Old Faithful, this is a smaller one in the Biscuit Basin. It erupts every 7 to 10 minutes. That was a good 15 feet of water being shot into the air. It's not done yet. Oh, wow. Very nice. What a gorgeous day.